Dumela, and welcome home.
What does Dumela mean?
It means welcome home.
Oh!
Dumela is the term used here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge and Villas.
That's where we're at.
We're at the Jambo house.
Yeah.
And I used to work here. That's how I know the Dumela thing. We are here today staying just the one night. As we're down here for a little special event. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is opening tomorrow.
To the public.
Here at Walt Disney World in Florida. So we're gonna go check that out. Link to it whenever that's done if you want to check that out.
Yeah.
But for today, we wanted to show you our accommodations, which we are staying in a studio here at the Jambo house, but this is what they call the value studio.
Yeah, it's a little special.
Yeah, it's a little cheaper is what it is.
Yeah.
To cost less points than some of the other studios might. But, I mean, come on.
You can't really beat that. Oh, there's the cattle.
There he is. And there were just a couple of giraffe right there. They've moved on. Oh, they were saying, oh, there they are. They're right there under the tree. They've moved to the shade.
We got a really good shot of them right there. We'll put that in right now.
So paying less points per night, because of course we are Disney Vacation Club members, and for those who don't know, Vacation Club rooms are booked on points, not with cash. You can stay here on cash if you're not a member, or even if you are and you just have run out of points. So we're here at the Jambo house, like we said, which is the original building here at Animal Kingdom Lodge. It's kind of like the main building, and then over there is the Kidani Village, which is all DVC rooms, studios and villas. Obviously here is a mixed space at Jambo House, but up here on the 5th floor, we're gonna give you a tour of our room, show you what we have. Hopefully you enjoy it. All right, so we are here down on the Ostrich Trail in Jambo House, and specifically room 5126. As you can see, Disney Vacation Club. We have shields on the door.
For your protection.
It is for your protection. That is an African custom
Really?
that has been adopted for this resort.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, I completely forgot about that until just now.
It just popped back in your head?
It did.
Like 3 years later?
Right when I went to point that out. So, right when we come in, you know how Disney does it, we have our safety information first things on the door, as well as our room occupied notice, our light switch that controls the entry light here, and of course, our lock. And hidden behind the door is what is essentially a full-length mirror. We come in, we have our kitchenette, pretty standard, except for these fun little features. It's Tantor! No, it's not.
It could be. If he was red.
Yeah, just draw him in there.
But who's that?
Simba!
Simba one.
We need, what was it, Wilson? Warden Wilson?
Oh, right.
From old Kilimanjaro Safaris.
It's been so long since we've heard that, I completely forgot his name.
Pretty sure that's what it was. Up top we do have some cabinets with some mugs and Scott. Michael. No, not Michael. I have a mega roll of paper towels, some bowls, some plates, and can opener, silverware, flatware.
Is there a bottle cork? Because I think we've had someone ask that before.
There is.
Bottle cork. So
bottle cork.
And a little Papa Top again.
Yeah. Bottle cork.
Bottle cork?
That's what you said. We have a bottle cork.
Oh, what do you? Oh, no, not a cork. A bottle cork screw?
Corkscrew.
Oh, just a corkscrew.
Or a bottle opener.
Okay. Well, whatever. It's something to
bottle cork.
Something to do with bottles and corks and opening them and all that stuff.
Whatever you want to open, you want to come up there. Ice bucket, glasses, which a little bit different than other glasses you might have seen at other resorts. The tile work continues. Lots of tile in here on the floor, backsplash, everything. Our countertops, microwave, whirlpool, standard, but it'll get the job done. Sunbeam toaster, looks like that is 2 slice. And we have our Sunbeam coffee pot inside the Mr. Coffee maker with all the Joffrey's accoutrement.
Which we have talked about this before on a different room tour, and we're like, oh, it doesn't have a filter, but this is the filter.
It's like all in there together.
Yeah, so they have regular, they have decaf,
and then this is like sugar and
accoutrement.
Yeah, creamer kind of stuff.
Yeah, creamer, sugars, that kind of stuff.
Stirring sticks.
Yeah.
Small sink, but a sink nonetheless, with some soap here. Oh, hypoallergenic. Eco's hand dish soap. That's pretty cool. It's a little blurry, so I don't think you can read it, but that's what it says. And our sponge washcloth.
Yeah.
That is neat. Down below, trash can, recycle can, fire extinguisher, as well as some more information here on the amenity list for inside the room, everything that you need to know. And these doors, as you can hear, they slam. These are thick hardwood doors, and they just like smack. So
I mean, there's like some nicks and stuff on them. Like, you know, you can tell like it's not like the, you know, it's not like a brand new room or anything like that, but everything's still in good shape.
Fridge.
A little hard to open.
Gotta hold it and then pull it open, but it is
seal.
sizable. Yeah, it is, and it's cold. I mean, that's really cold for a hotel room fridge. Light switch controls the under shelf lighting there. Turning around, we'll enter into our bathroom here. We do have another full-length mirror on the bathroom door. Fun, colorful shower curtain, which you would expect, and some fun, colorful tile work inside the shower. Pretty standard shower head, and it's obviously the tub shower combo. We do have a clothesline though, and this resort has gone to the fixed pumps for the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. No more little individual bottles that you can take home with you.
No, I can't steal little bottles anymore. Oh, it's not all lasted.
Yeah. Toilet, obviously. We have our towels, additional paper, everything you need. Double sinks. I know a lot of people like that. That's nice here. Additional linens, of course, hanging up. We do have our Extendomatic mirror, two-sided, and a light. That switch right there. A couple outlets in here in the bathroom, and on this side as well. So that's nice. You can have two people full on getting ready in here, and you shouldn't have any issues.
It's a good amount of space. Are these drawers?
I don't think so.
Oh.
Just made it look like that.
They're fakies.
But we do have a trash can right there. Now we enter the main living area. First thing on our left, we do have the thermostat tucked up into here, and then this cabinet, vanishing cabinet, with our safe, pretty large safe, actually.
Yeah, you can fit like a computer and stuff in there.
Yeah, hair dryer, ironing board. That's a nice. I like how they did that.
Oh, how clever is that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a full.
Yeah, full on.
Cool.
As the sticker says, extra pillows and blankets, your luggage holder, hanging racks if you need to do laundry. That's right there. Pretty standard, straightforward stuff, but I like this cabinet.
It's a very organized situation right here.
Yeah.
It works good.
Keeps things nice and clean.
Yeah.
I like this art a lot.
This is great.
African map. Where's Tarzan's treehouse? And some more fun African style art here. Got our couch. This does convert to a queen size.
Yeah.
So it's a pull out.
That's what the extra blanket and stuff for. But you can get more linens and stuff upon request if you need it.
Of course. Two tables here. This is, it looks like one big one, but it's actually two small ones. So you can kick that out and move those as you would choose and please to. Over here we have our nightstand with pull-out drawer. We do have a cubby space of storage underneath. Up above, our standard Disney room phone and standard Disney room remote. But we do have two standard outlets and two USBs as well. The phone is plugged into an outlet back here, but there's an additional space on it that's available if you need that too. Light switches, that one for that light, this one for this light, this one here on the left for that light over there. So what does this do?
Is it the fan?
Dun da 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 da. Ceiling fan.
And it's nice.
It is.
You know what's the best about it is that it's working good and it's refreshing, but it's not making any noise.
No noise. It is silent.
It's not. You don't want to know why? Because it doesn't have a globe on it. Nothing's wiggling.
No globe, no down rod. It's just secured up there.
Yes.
And it's nice because this is a rare sight nowadays. On the other side of the bed here, there is no additional nightstand, so it's just the one queen size bed. Of course, we do have these nice designs and colors, and look at this, like tapestry type type art hanging up.
It's really cool. I really like this headboard.
Yeah, that's nice.
The sun.
Ah, it is. Swinging back around, next to our cabinet here, we do have our television. And then underneath that, we have 2 standard outlets, 2 USB outlets, and then a mirror over here. 2 more standard, 2 more USB. Down below, drawer 1, drawer 2, drawer 3, drawer 4, and the big drawer down beneath.
That's really good. I like how there's not a divider in the middle too, because you could put like a piece of luggage in there.
Oh yeah,
and like
definitely.
Lots of smaller pieces.
Large luggage.
Yeah,
would fit in there.
There's no room to put luggage under the bed.
That's right. Yeah, it's got the wall coming down, so.
Yeah.
No underbed storage, so you want to utilize that, as well as you do have these kind of like little cubbies. You could put sunglasses, wallets, books, computers, that sort of thing. Over on this side, we do have our round wood table that looks like a drum, so that's pretty cool, like an African drum, with our 2 chairs that are actually really comfortable, by the way. And I really like this mirror, but with the lights on the, like, you know, the little globe lights with the, what is this? A lizard? A crocodile?
Sure.
I don't know what it is. Are those eyes looking out from the forest? This turns on and off with this little switch here, which is kind of funny that that's how they did it. I don't know, of course, all your paperwork that they'll give you when you come in. Turning over here towards the balcony, we do have our, I always forget what you call them. These are the day shades, and then these are the privacy shades, whatever you want to call them. They full extend from both sides to close up here in the middle. And you do have this. This is nice. This is like a, like these are beads. Now before we head out to the balcony, we must give you a safety briefing. Supervise children at all times. Do not climb on the furniture. Smoking in the room or on the balcony is prohibited. But most important for this resort, please do not throw food or trash into the savannah. They don't like doing it. Sliding glass door that slides very well, actually. And we have our small table out here, and then 2 chairs that have zebras on them.
Aren't they cute?
So not a huge balcony, but it's plenty spacious though. I mean,
it's completely great for 2 people.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, it works. I like how these look like sticks too.
Yeah. And we're up here on the 5th floor. Hey, there's like a big, like what is that? Like a wood stork or something.
Yeah. Man, that's a big guy or gal.
So obviously this is the big draw and appeal of this resort, other than just staying in a beautiful lodge. African lodge with all the wood and the design and the thatched roofs and all of that, is that if you have a Savannah view room, you come out here and you never know what you're gonna see.
I see why these value rooms go so fast, because man, this is such a deal.
Yeah, and to clarify, you're not guaranteed to have this kind of view.
No.
We just happened to get this, so
right.
Lucky ducky. And that literature that we mentioned earlier that is here waiting for you in the room includes a wildlife spotting guide.
How cool is this?
So were we right on the avian fellow or gal?
Use our context
Well, it
clues.
could have been the pink-backed pelican.
I don't think it was that. It didn't look like that.
All right. As I zoom in, he does have like pink on him.
Do you think? What about this one? This is a marab.
Oh, there's a stork. Large gray and white birds with large powerful beaks and bald heads and necks.
Is that why its head's pink? Is because it's bald?
Because it's just bald. It doesn't have any feathers. I would think it's that.
I think it's that.
We're going to go with that.
Yeah. How do you say that?
Marabou?
Marabou stork?
Marabou. Stork.
This is the in-room dining menu for our Jambo house. stuff.
Lots of stuff. All right, guys, that is gonna wrap up our tour of our accommodations here at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge and Villas Jambo House.
Yes.
Here in a value studio. So we hope you have enjoyed this tour and got to see everything that the room has to offer and what the Savannah has to offer. If you do have any questions about anything, please feel free to leave a comment down below. We do try to respond to those as quickly as possible. And if you're thinking, hey, I'd love to stay there, but you know what, I'm not a Disney Vacation Club member, that's okay. We can still make it happen for you. You don't have to be a Vacation Club member to stay here. So we would love to help make that become a reality for you. So please feel free to reach out to us via our travel agent information that you can find at the end of all of our videos. But with that said, we have wrapped up this video and we will sign off seeing you guys next time. Happy travel!
How do you say goodbye in, I guess, Swahili?
Kwaherini, everyone.
Oh, that's right! Kwaherini, everyone.
It means go well.
Go well with your travels, aka happy travels.